Yo, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to show you a new build that's being built not by us, by somebody else, and this is again learning how to play nice, and it's a completely different way of building new builds. So hence the reason why I have donned a high vis, and no, it's not Tony building it either. So a little bit of a background here. So this is the job that I've did the board change, the zappy, install, all the rest of it. We actually priced up originally for that work and building this building and another extension around the back, but we lost that job sadly. Not a problem, because it's life, isn't it? You can't expect to win them all, but this is true testament of people playing nice together. So, for example, I'm not down to do the electrics in here, not down for that, but I'm helping their Sparky out. I've already did some prep work for him, put an RCBO in for the board, done a big core drill for him, so he's all ready to go. So inside the board, which is just that side, there is provisions ready for his armour to power up. It's going to be DB3 in here. But I'm going to show you this building. We've never done a building like this before, and this is a first for this company as well. But I just thought it's a really cool video, show you something different. So let's go and have a little bit of a closer look. Okay, so here, prefab all comes in sections, but look at this. So it's all got the service holes, things like that. So there's two lads working upstairs, so I won't show you upstairs really at the minute. So you've got this huge steel section, I think it was 750 kg, and then it all sits like this. So it's all obviously very engineered, heavy, cladded all this outside. They have it in OSB, and then there's going to be cladding on the outside, which I'm going to show you what that is. So yeah, so the armoured from the other side actually comes down here. So we've got, I think, what is it, 10 mil armour that stretches all the way down. So the DB, I imagine, is going to be up here somewhere. They've got water supply and drainage. There's also another access point for something else in the future. But yeah, it's really cool. So this is actually going to be a workshop area. That is going to be a single garage as such for another car, which is very special to the client, which I think is really cool. They're going to keep it almost like a time capsule style thing. And then upstairs, you've got an office at the back, big office at the front with a big gable overlooking fields. I mean, a little kitchenette area and a bathroom. I mean, come on. I mean, you can't really get much better than that, can you? Absolutely amazing. So let's jump outside and I'll explain what's going on with the cladding outside. So on the outside of the building, we've got our Tyvek on the outside. They've battened all off because they're going to be using a composite wood effect cladding all on the outside. Reason behind that, but it's actually recycled cladding, the homeowner has actually told me. The reason behind that is low maintenance. There's no, because obviously when you're working away, you don't need to be then every 3 years treating it and all the rest of it. So that's really cool. So roof structure, okay, again, all prefabbed, okay, but if you look up there, so you've got Veluxes all going in, and then to keep in keeping with the area, it's all going to be tiled with like rosemaries. So if you don't know what rosemaries are, they're the small old traditional style of roof tiles. But yeah, just wanted to show you, because like I say, it's really cool. They've got, like I say, all the services, it's all pre-planned. They all know where everything's going to be. Down here, it's all completely insulated. I believe there's aircon going in here. But yeah, I mean, proper flex that, isn't it? So if you were looking at getting a office garage style thing, another option for you. And you can build, and the lads who are building this now are actually building 3 houses like this. And again, just proves that although I didn't get this job to do it, you can still play nice, can't you? So it's actually been great chatting to the lads about what they do, how they run their business in some ways. But yeah, really enjoyed it actually, in fairness. So just had a little chat off camera. But yeah, really enjoyed it. So hopefully, like I say, you've seen something different way of doing things. And yeah, enjoy, take it easy, make sure you tune in for the next one.